Just a short drive from the national capital, Palwal, part of the national capital region, is battling a worrying health emergency. In one village alone, at least 7 people have died in the past 2 weeks under mysterious circumstances. The administration has rushed to the spot to respond. Health camps have been set up. Medical teams are conducting tests, trying to identify the exact cause of the illness. But on the ground, angry and anxious villagers point to one suspected culprit: contaminated water. They claim unsafe drinking water is slowly poisoning their community. What is really behind these deaths, and why did it take multiple fatalities for action to begin? Take a look at this ground report.
In a district barely an hour away from India's national capital, a health emergency is unfolding. Several people have lost their lives due to a mysterious illness over the past 2 weeks in the Chaisa village in Haryana's Palwal. Panic has gripped the village following the sudden spike in deaths and infections. Health teams are collecting blood samples to identify positive cases and break the chain of transmission.
Blood samples are being taken of the villagers, and this is being done to ensure that all the blood samples are then later on investigated and thoroughly checked, so that the doctors are able to find out the reason of a disease outbreak which is being claimed by the people. There is not only one team, but there are multiple teams. Those are now working on the ground.
Officials say that several of the deceased have tested positive for hepatitis B, prompting large-scale screening.
यहाँ पर हम सभी पेशेंट्स की स्क्रीनिंग कर रहे हैं। जो भी पेशेंट आ रहे हैं कि किसी को काला पीलिया की शिकायत तो नहीं है, हेपेटाइटिस बी, हेपेटाइटिस सी, ये सबका टेस्ट कर रहे हैं। इसमें मौतों के तो भिन्न भिन्न कारण हैं। कुछ मौतें में जो हुई हैं उनमें हेपेटाइटिस बी पॉजिटिव मिला है 3-4-5 डेथ्स में।
हमने तहकीकात शुरू कर दी थी कि किस वजह से ये हेपेटाइटिस बढ़ रही है, कहाँ कैसे हो रही है। पानी की भी जांच करवाई है और क्लोरिनेट करवाया। डीसी साहब वाज ऑन द जॉब देयर.
But villagers are alleging that contaminated water may also be behind the rising illnesses. Fear has spread, with some residents hesitant to undergo testing.
कम से कम 40 से 50 लोग अभी तक पॉजिटिव पाए गए हैं। यहाँ पे जो है 23 से 24 लोग अभी तक मर चुके हैं, जिनमें जो है 10-12 लोग तो हेपेटाइटिस बी के कारण ही मरे हैं।
क्या तबीयत खराब लग रही है आपको?
जी।
क्या हुआ है?
ये पॉजिटिव पाया जी सी में।
गंदा पानी पिया था या क्या किस लिए, क्या कारण?
हाँ जी, पानी तो ये रहने वाले कोई पी रहे हैं, क्या करें, मजबूरी है, पानी है ही नहीं, खारा पानी है यहाँ पे।
14-year-old Sarik died last week. His family alleges negligence and lack of timely treatment.
उसको हल्का सा बुखार चढ़ा।